guys, welcome back to Explore with Sense.
हम कुछ चिप्स लेने आए थे। हाय लकी, कैसा लग रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है?
ले रहे चलो।
ये ज़मीन है।
ज़मीन है।
गाड़ी लगे है।
दिख रहा है पूरा, चलो।
कौन है?
ये आखिरी का। वो आगे चलो, थोड़ा आगे।
से
वाओ।
यहाँ पे
वो आगे का वो घर दिख रहा है ना।
वो घर दिखा रहा
वो
है।
साइकिल भी है।
वो घर दिखा रहा, साइकिल भी दिखाना।
ठीक है। नमो बंद नहीं करेगा। लो गाइस, देखो इधर पर कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है नज़ारा। एक देखो, वाओ वाओ। सो दिस इज देखिए भैया। हाँ, एक छोटा सा बंद कर दो।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. हम जा रहे हैं लकी के स्कूल, उसके टीसी की बात करने के लिए, राइट विशेष?
Yes.
So let's go to his school.
तो guys, ये है स्कूल। हम स्कूल से आ रहे हैं। Morning, sir.
Yeah, I am cousin of Lucky. Lucky class A, yes. I just want to talk to you regarding certain things actually.
Guys, ये है स्कूल।
Lucky's Chidwama. Lucky's mom is Chidwama. Lucky's mom is my Chema. Yes. Lucky's mother's sister. Just pleasure meeting you, sir. Sir, may I please know your name?
Yeah, my name is Sanjay Rai.
All right, Sanjay Rai. All right, and you're the principal of Shaipatri English School, right? All right. So, like,
2007 established.
oh, all right. And can you please tell me something about this place, Chungajan?
Chungajan. Yes, it belongs to Chungajan. A part of Chungajan is one kind of palace. The border of Nagaland and Assam.
Assam, right. And how many people are there? How many houses are built here in this place?
Since it has been since 1997 it was established. Since that times there were 35 around house. Now
Oh.
it belongs to around 300 houses. The varieties peoples, the varieties religious,
Oh.
and varieties caste.
Oh, all right.
Enjoying
Like,
cooperation.
what majority of the tribes are from
Just
which?
the Gorkha majority is more.
Gorkhas are more here. All right.
Gorkha.
And Nepalese are there. Yeah, Nepalese are
Actually,
there.
nowadays we should not advertise that like Nepali.
Right.
But must to be advertised.
Gorkha only,
Because
right.
it belongs from India.
India, right.
Gorkha is
Are you also a Gorkha, sir?
yeah, absolutely.
That's
Definitely.
That's nice. All right. So there are 300 houses in this, village.
More than 300.
More than 300.
300 is already established.
And what about the electricity and what about the other, amenities required for a person to, live his livelihood? All facilities are there.
It's available, but not so as available. So it can be some improvement is required, developments, more developments.
All right.
It's available, but that what is called sufficient is not there.
Okay.
Some are not connected to some poster required, electric poster required.
All right. Electricity is there. I have seen. It's
Not sufficient because of the houses are going to be like a
Right.
residence place.
As I was having a conversation with you, and you just told me that you are born in this place. So.
Actually, yes, it is right. I was born in 1981. So it was my birthplace. It's like heaven to me.
Yeah, Chungajan is your birthplace actually, and you have lived, I think, 4 decades.
Yeah.
More than 4 decades you have lived here, and now you are running a school. That is Shaipatri. Shaipatri means marigold. That's a flower, right?
Nepali language and Nepali bhasha, you know,
Yeah.
that is called
Right.
marigold.
Marigold. Right. And like, how many students are there in this school, sir?
Yeah, it's now present around 107.
107
Last,
students.
according to last reports.
All right.
Maybe this times will be increased or decreased.
All right.
That is up to
Up to
peoples of
people.
the-
Yeah. Right.
around of the us.
Right. So like, and their classes are up from LKG to
Eight.
class 8. All right. That's nice. And like, what are your future plans for the school?
Not so that's I'm thinking that whatever I can do, whatever the ability will be there in future. The peoples are thinking about that.
Right,
School
right.
is not mine. School is the people of that.
Right,
Whatever
right.
they would thought.
Right. So
If
that
they
is
think they will that they will be required, that is required here 9 and 10 and 11 12. If they require, then it can be upgrade. They
Right,
have
right.
to support is required.
right. That's
And
true.
actually, you know that people's are support. People's support is can be developed any kind of this society or institution.
Right.
It's not only for honor.
Right. That is true. And then who is the owner of this school?
Myself is the owner.
Acha, you are the owner of the
Yeah,
school.
yes.
That is this. Acha, your property only.
Yeah.
Oh, you are running this school. That's great. So like, how do you start your school in the morning?
Around 8.
Around 8, and then you do your morning assembly, morning routine.
Assembly at 30, we have to visit here. The people, students would be attend here at around 8:15. So we'll start this assembly at 30.
8:30.
So it's going to be like a recess times. So
Oh.
tiffin time it's called 11:30.
All right.
And after that, have 1.5 hour will be over that like that.
All
Around
right.
1:30.
So like, are you planning to increase the classes here? Senior secondary?
Yeah. It's in future.
In future.
What the times will tell.
Right,
It's
right.
Up to time. It depends upon to time.
Right.
Only time.
Only time
We have
can-
to time.
Right.
So we have to go ahead the time.
Is it affiliated to any board? I mean, have you got any board affiliation?
No. Actually, affiliation is not required for the upper primary.
Right.
If you want to increase and upgrade to class 9 and 10 and 11, 12, then it is required.
From 9 to 12th, if you want to, yes.
Seva.
Seva. So like, how do you get the affiliation, by the way?
Sorry.
How do you get the affiliation from the board? If for an example, if you want to, upgrade it.
Oh, process is there. Varieties criteria is there.
Oh.
Long terms, there long character criteria is there.
Oh, all right.
Connection to the SI and DO, and after that you have to go to the
Oh,
Seva
all
board,
right.
Guwahati.
Oh, okay.
There are varieties and land proper is land certificate.
Oh, so many
Building
things are required.
construction also required.
Okay.
Every sanitation.
So many things are
many
required.
criteria is there. If we want to upgrade to class 9 and 10.
Oh, and Assamese is also a subject here, right?
Yes. Class
Um,
from 1.
From 1 onwards.
One only, yes.
Oh.
It must be compulsory is done by the Assam's government. Na?
Okay,
Before we
okay.
have started when it was established at the time only, we have started on class 5 to
Oh.
8 only Assamese.
Oh,
Hindi
Assam.
also like this. And
Oh.
after that what happened, they have started us. So it's compulsory to need the class 1 to class 8.
Oh, that's great. Like, what is the speciality of this place? As I can see, it's a beautiful village. It's a growing village,
Yeah.
growing area, and I can see beautiful houses here, beautiful faces here. So, like, what is any speciality, anything that is popular here? Any fruit, anything
Yes,
specific?
You see that is battlenut. It's a growing.
Oh, this is better.
Betel-nut.
Oh, like, what do we call it in Hindi?
Yeah, Tamul.
Oh, this is Tambul's tree. Oh, ये तांबुल का पेड़ है, right? Oh, that's nice. So, like, what is the price? Can you please tell me something about it?
It's per kg is there. It's per kg is 30, 35 around is now.
Oh, 30, 35 per
35
kg.
around, yes, per
Oh, and you get it in bulk.
Yeah.
But I have seen these trees in common in every houses.
Yeah. There is one is called what is called as a
It's a business, like they
Business
do
also
business
like a-
for their own,
Yeah,
for their individual users only.
Use only. Yes.
Oh,
So respect for these people. If the guests are coming,
Oh.
to come at the time, we'll offer like a
oh,
for chewing, but that.
oh, that's
it's
great.
respected.
Oh, that's
Assam's
nice.
one, na?
That's
That
nice.
is Samosa.
And what about pan? Like
Pan
how?
with this.
With these leaves only?
Yeah, no. You to separate it.
That must be a.
Yes.
Oh,
Will be-
you must be growing
Yeah.
that plant in a
Another
different
plant, another plant.
another area. All right. Thank you for telling me all these information.
Thank you
It was
so much for visiting.
pleasure meeting you, sir. Pleasure
Okay,
meeting you.
okay.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
I am also.
Sir, I just started my video again with sir. मैंने सर के साथ फिर से वीडियो स्टार्ट किया है एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू नो सर कि यहाँ पे टीचर्स का पैकेज कैसा है प्राइवेट स्कूल में स्पेशली क्या कंडीशन है कैसा स्थिति है और कैसा चल रहा है यहाँ पे
You see, you know that here is the very lower families, lower families, children are used to study here, used
Right,
to get
right.
admission here. So according to that, their balance, and we have to issue the salary like for 5,000, around 6,000, like only.
all right, all right.
And if you have the graduate, if you have the particularly diploma, then we can issue them 10,000 also.
10,000 also. It also depends upon their caliber,
Yes,
their potential.
Potential development.
And if they have a good potential, they can get up to 10,000.
Yes.
And is B.Ed mandatory here?
No. Actually, upper primary non. DLED is required.
DLED is required. Oh.
B.Ed is up to higher secondary and high schools only.
All right, all right.
DLED must be
Up to
required.
class 8, it is DLED.
DLED, yes. DLED
Oh.
is enough for that.
DLED is enough for that, all right. And B.Ed is not mandatory
Not
as of now.
mandatory here. Because of 9, 10, 11, 12 is B.Ed required.
Right,
The
right.
Government, according to government instruction, B.Ed is required for 9 and 10 and 11, 12.
Oh.
Senior, higher secondary and senior secondary.
Oh, all right, all right. That's nice. Glad to know that, Glad to know that. Education is growing here. You people are trying your best, giving your best. I can see that. And I'm sure that in coming future, this place will turn into,
Like
something else actually,
yeah.
right? And many IES and many, officers will,
PS, APS.
yeah,
IAS.
will be made from this place.
Thank you.
Good wishes to you, sir, for your growing schools. May God bless the children of this school actually, and the teachers as well. May God give wisdom to the students and the teachers of this school. And